Hi, this is Michael. I'm going to read a brief article of local news that's in your Uptown Gazette, Volume 6, number 41, dated October the 11th, 2013. This is by Ashley Ruhl. Her last name is spelled R-U-H-L. It says School Board approves change in suspension policy. Again, it's by Ashley Ruhl, and it says more than 100 students wearing purple shirts emblazoned with "Every Student Matters" rallied Tuesday at Long Beach Unified School District's Board of Education meeting. Those enthusiastic students who chanted outside and gave testimony inside the meeting were in support of a new discipline policy that was unanimously approved by the board as a way to reduce the number of students being suspended or expelled from school. The board urges schools to build upon existing efforts to provide alternatives to suspension or expulsion, using multiple strategies including conflict resolution, individual and school-wide positive behavior supports, and elements of restorative practices that focus on prevention, early intervention, and the opportunity for students to learn appropriate behaviors. According to the approved resolution, student Brandy Totolo, who is 14, is enrolled at Jordan High School and said students aren't getting an education if they are kicked out of the classroom. She and other students said that suspensions and expulsions only exacerbate problems for students and get in the way of those students being able to succeed in higher education and beyond. Parents don't want their kids to be living in their house when they grow up, she said. I know. I've seen it. Board President John McGinnis said that he hopes the changes will minimize the number of students sitting at home and not learning. He said the resolution is merely a first step toward working on improving an ongoing issue to prevent incidences and improve how, and I'll turn the page to page 5 in my Uptown Gazette, how students are disciplined. Additionally, the resolution asks the suspension and expulsions be more closely monitored by the district to prevent, as much as possible, a disproportionate share from occurring at a given school or within a specific demographic of students. According to Superintendent Chris Steinhauser, suspension and expulsion data also is going to be included in academic performance measures such as the API due to evaluation changes at the state and federal level. When schools have disproportionality issues, we need to look at that, he said. We will be working this year to add to the annual report for the board and the public. Steinhauser added that in addition to annual report, the school district would monitor discipline at schools throughout the year, and he added that staff would be looking at other factors such as the number of foster or homeless students disciplined. Currently, school district officials report that less than 1% of students in the district are expelled each year. About 1% of students are disciplined with in-school suspension each year, and about 6% of students are disciplined with out-of-school suspensions annually. There are about 80,000 students enrolled at LBUSD schools. Reed Continuation High School principal Barbara Lindholm said her staff has been piloting a restorative justice discipline program at the high school since last year that is in line with the district's new resolution. She was not in attendance at Tuesday's meeting, but said on Wednesday that the related program was made a positive change at Reed, R-E-I-D. We have some of the most challenging students in the district, she said. Many of them have not succeeded at other schools, but the restorative justice program at Reed has made a palpable difference in terms of school climate. Some say that the restorative justice can stop the pipeline from students from school to jail, and I believe that is what can happen. In the past year, she said suspensions and expulsions did not decline, but she expects decreases in the number as the program gets a stronger foothold. School board members praised the actions of students who rallied and spoke in favor of the resolution Tuesday night. They said the students' testimony made the decision an easier one. Again, that's by Ashley Ruhl, and she can be reached at ARUHL at gazettes.com, and Gazettes is spelled GAZETTES.com, and that's titled School Board Approves Change in Suspension Policy, and that's in your Uptown Gazette, which serves Bixby Knolls, California Heights, North Long Beach, and Virginia Country Club in Los Angeles County. Have a good day. This is Michael signing off.